Okay, so if you're a bachelor or a bachelorette for that matter, and you live alone, as you see that I made my chips, my fish and chips. So these don't look so great, but who cares? They're basically string potatoes, and I put them in the oven. I didn't fry them. This I fried. I dusted it with some seasoned corn flour and AP flour with some Cajun spices, salt and pepper, onion, garlic, granulated. And it's really good, and they're nice and crunchy. And then I made like this tartar sauce, and this tartar sauce is pretty good. It has mayo, capers. It has some of my relish, my last season's relish. I had some corn and tomato relish, and I added a little bit of the flat leaf parsley, and no onions because I didn't have any onions, and there's some onions in my relish, and it's really good. It's real flavorful. I don't know if I have a recipe for that, but basically, yeah, it's really good. It's delicious, and yeah, that's what I'm having for dinner. And I may have a beer with it. Who knows? So good. So delicious. Yep. My fish and chips. Homemade. Alright. I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.